Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, my assistant Sharon is about to show us how she achieved her sweet straight back braids like on her natural hair. First of all, she stretched out her natural, braided her natural hair to stretch it out and use rubber band to secure it. So everything is all blown out and soft and ready to be braided. So all she needs to do is detangle her hair and moisturize it and condition it with her leave-in conditioner, and then she's good to start. So the hair she used for this project is Abuja braids by Darling. I can tell you straight up that this braid is kind of tricky to work with because they coiled the tip of the hair, but the hair is not like silky. Most curled hair, like those spiral ones, are silky so that you can easily split it off. But this one, once it tangles when you're working with it, it's going to suffer you small sha. So the technique she used in sectioning her hair, which I believe helped a lot, is the half method. So if you're braiding your hair into like 8, you share into into like one half. You share the whole hair into 2 as she has done. Put one section away, share the other section into 2, put it away, just like that. It makes it so much easier for you to be able to have control over the line and not mess up the sectioning of the whole hair. So in case you have any mistake happening, it's only going to affect one part of the head and not like your whole braid. So at this point, she's applying shine and jam. I think she attempted the pre-sectioning stitch braid. I swear, like, she really tried. Braiding your hair and still trying to, like, especially stitching it. Oh god, guys, you really need to be up for the kind of stress you're putting yourself through, because it's not easy. So you see the way she finished her hair, you see how she was able to make it look so nice at the back and put together. You see for yourself. And then how she coiled her hair with hot water to get those, like, the braid. When I saw the braid, I was really impressed. Like, she really did a nice job at it, especially with the lines, guys. Just editing this video and watching it, I just keep recalling, like, when I'll be making my hair and trying to get the line straight in weird angles. It's very easy where you can easily see, right? But when it comes to where you cannot see, it's strained. It's strainful. It is very straining on the eyes when you're bending your eyes and trying to get that angle that your eye is not supposed to reach to make the line straight. And then any small mistake, the mirror will just be inverting the lines and you can just easily mess. It's always stressful. Like, kudos to people that can make their hair. It's not easy. So she braided the hair and knotted it off here. You can see at this point the coils that came with the braiding hair that's disappeared. Frustration. That hair, that braiding hair, darling, una try well. So she's sharing this other half into 2. I think maybe that should give her maybe like 6 braids. And well, at this point, you'll be able to see the rest of the steps she took to achieve her gorgeous, beautiful braids. Thank you and enjoy.
Avant, pourquoi nous on ne pourrait pas se regarder droit dans les yeux sans douter un instant et croire que le temps est notre ami et pas celui qui nous sépare, que l'on pourrait vivre sans vie dans l'aventure de notre histoire. Si l'on s'aimait encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait l'on s'aimait comme autrefois, si l'on s'aimait encore une fois. Autrefois, si l'on s'aimait, à se promettre l'éternité, si l'on vivait ivre d'amour, comme dans les contes et les histoires, si l'on laissait couler les jours, en profitant de chaque pas, malgré nos douleurs et nos craintes, en se serrant fort dans les bras, si l'on s'aimait, encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait, comme autrefois. Avant, pourquoi nous on ne pourrait pas se regarder droit dans les yeux sans douter un instant et croire que le temps est notre ami et pas celui qui nous sépare, que l'on pourrait vivre sans vie dans l'aventure de notre histoire. Si l'on s'aimait encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait comme autrefois. Autrefois, si l'on s'aimait, à se promettre l'éternité, si l'on vivait ivre d'amour, comme dans les contes et les histoires, si l'on laissait couler les jours, en profitant de chaque pas, malgré nos douleurs et nos craintes, en se serrant fort dans les bras.